The Bismarck Blizzard is once again off to a good start in their quest for a 7th straight state title. However, the Blizzard showed some vulnerability in their 4-3 overtime win over Mandan on opening night. Head coach Tim Meyer expected this season to start a little slower because the pandemic has limited their ability to understand and trust each other on the ice.
We have 4 different schools that kids come from, and so, we have freshmen through seniors, and so some of these kids have never played together. They don't know each other really at all. And, just because of the environment that we're in, it's just a lot tougher to get that kind of a team bond going.
Bismarck is back in action when they travel to Devil's Lake on January 8th.